How to install a non-hydraulically powered attachment on your Vermeer compact articulated loader. Position the attachment on a level surface. Set attachment lock levers in the unlocked position. Clean the inside of both attachment mounting pockets to remove debris that might interfere with the attachment installation. Start the machine's engine. Lower the loader arm and tilt the mounting plate forwards. Slowly drive towards the attachment and align the top edge of the machine's mounting plate and the upper lip of the attachment mounting plate. Tuck the upper edge of the machine's mounting plate into the upper lip of the attachment mounting plate. When the machine's mounting plate top edge is seated in the attachment mounting plate, rotate the machine's mounting plate backwards slightly to allow the lower edge of the mounting plate to slide into position on the attachment. Set the parking brake and shut the engine off. Rotate the attachment lock levers into the locked position, securing the attachment to the machine. Start the engine and raise the attachment off the ground. Visually inspect the bottom edge of the attachment's mounting plate to make sure that both of the attachment lock pins are securely holding the attachment in position. How to remove a non-hydraulically powered attachment on your Vermeer compact articulated loader. Lower the attachment onto a firm, level surface. Set the parking brake and shut the engine off. Rotate the attachment lock levers to the unlocked position. Start the engine and rotate the mounting plate downwards. Release the parking brake and back away from the attachment.